Action News Atlanta Journal-Constitution investigation found a complete lack of education and oversight for tax preparers across our state. Channel 2 investigative reporter Jody Fleischer shows us the impact that can have on every single one of us and what some say needs to be done to fix it.
Your barber has one. So does your AC repairman. And as of July 1st, even your lactation consultant has to be licensed here in Georgia. But the person you give your social security number and all of your financial information to do your taxes? No license, no training, no oversight.
It's absolutely crazy. And
Liz Coyle runs Georgia Watch, an organization which advocates for consumers.
People have no idea what level of education these people have, how honest they are, what they're really going to do with their personal information, and whether or not they'll file their taxes accurately.
And she set out to prove it. This tax season, Georgia Watch sent 2 undercover customers into 20 different tax offices, particularly in lower-income areas across Fulton County.
How many of the 20 you visited had problems? All of them.
One of the fake customers pretended to be a single mom who only had her child on weekends, which is not deductible. She recorded what the tax preparers told her.
A lot of the people wanted to make sure that I claimed the child. I can get you back $5,000, $6,000 if you claim the child.
When she had her taxes done correctly by a group that works with the IRS, she should have owed about $200. But one of the places got her back $4,000.
A lot of these places are not going to back their word in their refunds, and so you're out of pocket.
Thousands of Georgia taxpayers are learning that the hard way. This month, the Department of Revenue is sending audit notices to clients who use this hate-filled tax preparer. Agents raided after a Channel 2 and AJC investigation exposed inflated refunds prepared by Hapeville City Councilwoman Ruth Barr and her staff. Investigators say it cost the state and federal government millions of dollars, which those taxpayers will have to pay back.
We'll investigate complaints that are brought to our attention, but our only avenue at that point would be some kind of criminal prosecution.
Revenue Commissioner Lynn Riley says the state needs to do more to protect taxpayers from problem preparers. We found Barr had a history of Better Business Bureau complaints, audited clients, and even civil fraud judgments, but none of it ever triggered an investigation.
There is not a board or an agency that a taxpayer could directly report on the situation because of the lack of licensing.
The lack of oversight also means there's no required education or training, which can sometimes make it tough to tell the difference between mistakes and outright fraud.
It's a tremendous problem. We absolutely want Georgia to put in place some common sense regulations of this industry.
Georgia Watch is urging the Revenue Commissioner to work with the Secretary of State to create an oversight board with some kind of licensing, discipline, or basic training requirements.
We should be looking to protect taxpayers in every way we can.
Jody Fleischer, Channel 2 Action News, Sunday AM.